In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to curve text using Figma Draw brushstroke. By the end, you'll be able to place any text along a custom curve, perfect for badges, logos, and dynamic headers. We'll use Figma's draw mode to sketch a smooth path, then attach text directly to that path and style it for a polished result. Start by opening Figma and heading into a file where you'd like to work. You can use an existing design or create a fresh canvas. If you prefer tidy organization, add a frame first so your curved text stays grouped with the rest of your layout, but this is optional. Next, switch into draw mode. Look toward the lower area of the interface for the draw mode icon and click it. Draw mode gives you natural freehand tools that convert your strokes into editable vector paths. That matters because text on a path needs a vector line to follow. Once you're in draw mode, you'll see tools like the pencil available. Choose the pencil tool and draw a curvy line where you want your text to flow. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Aim for a gentle, readable arc or wave. After finishing the stroke, you can refine it. Select the path and adjust the vector points and handles to smooth out bumps or tweak the curve's rhythm. If your pencil settings include smoothing, nudge that up a bit for cleaner results. Keep your curve long enough to fit your intended text without cramping. Now activate the text tool. With it selected, move your cursor over the curve you just drew. As you hover, you'll notice the cursor changes to indicate text can attach to the path. Click directly on the line and start typing your message. The text will automatically sit on the curve, hugging its shape. If the text begins at an unexpected point, drag the small handle that appears on the path to slide the starting position along the curve. From here, fine-tune your typography. Change the font, size, and weight to match your design. Adjust letter spacing and line height for legibility, and use alignment, left, center, or right to control how the text distributes along the curve. If the text feels tight on sharp bends, increase tracking slightly or simplify the curve. You can also reposition or reshape the path at any time. The text stays attached and updates in real time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.